I'm here at Joseph Brant Hospital with the CEO, Eric Vanderwall. The Ontario government recently announced $116 million in new funding for 32 hospitals across the province to help improve access to care during COVID-19. Joseph Brant Hospital will be receiving $4.6 million. Can you let us know, Eric, what you'll be doing with that?
Jane, thank you so much for your government support of Joseph Brant Hospital. This funding is so important. It's going to fund 40 transitional care beds at Joseph Brant Hospital, as well as 4 ICU beds. There's been a lot of pressure on beds, as you know, with COVID-19, and then we're now in the flu season and starting to see lots of other illness in the hospital. So this funding announcement today is so helpful for our team, for our patients, and for our community.
That's great news, Eric. Can you let us know the specifics of where the money's going to be used?
For 40 transitional care beds, and these are primarily patients who are alternative level of care, so they no longer require acute care, but they're waiting to get to another destination. It could be a long-term care home, could be home with support. And as we know, COVID's placed a lot of challenges in long-term care. Some of the changes have slowed the rate of us being able to transfer those patients, and so they've been waiting here for that move into long-term care. So now having that additional funding to support those patients here is so important. Critical care is such an important part of our overall response plan to COVID-19, as you know, and our critical care resources here in Burlington are in fact part of a provincial critical care plan. Having 4 additional beds will go a long way to supporting our plans.
Eric, on behalf of the Government of Ontario, I want to thank you so much, yourself and your whole team here at Joseph Brant Hospital.
On behalf of the board, as well as the senior executive team, and all of us at JBH, first, thank you for your ongoing support. It's been so important for us to get through this pandemic. And secondly, thank you to the Ford government for the fall preparedness plan, the support and the leadership that the government's provided during COVID-19.
When you work alone, you make progress. When you work together, you make history. And you've done a phenomenal job in our community with this hospital.